Hey, it's Seth from Gerber, and this is the ultimate fixed blade. When you're braving the outdoors, it's about working smarter, not harder. That sentiment is reflected in the knowledge you possess, but also the gear you bring along. The ultimate fixed blade is designed to meet your basic survival needs: food, shelter, and fire. This multi-purpose knife corrals multiple tools into one smart design. The full-tang blade has a partially serrated edge to handle a multitude of tasks and materials. Warmth isn't an issue, with a fire-striking edge that pairs with the included ferrocerium rod. Long-haul days call for comfort as well as function. A rubber overmold handle reduces hot spots, lashing holes keep the knife secure, and an emergency whistle could save the day. The sheath not only houses the knife safely, it also includes an integrated sharpener for on-the-go touch-ups. The ferrocerium rod snaps into the sheath until called into action. Take control of your reality in the wild with a tool that is optimized for your survival. It's chock full of features that you can rely on when challenges arise. The ultimate fixed blade isn't just a knife. It's a multifunctional tool that every outdoorsman should keep on hand. Like all Gerber products, the ultimate fixed blade is backed by the Gerber guarantee.